Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 11, Leçon T. And in this lesson we'll continue this series of videos covering the topic identical words in English and French, and we'll only focus in this video on the words in English that will end with EON, because in many cases they will be exactly the same in French, but you should keep in mind that it's not all the time true. So first, well, the word must exist in French because it's not, the case all the time. Okay, and then the second thing that you should keep in mind, in some cases, well, the writing of these words will change a little bit. Okay. Gratification, gravitation, habitation, hésitation, hibernation, hospitalisation, humidification, humiliation, idéalisation, identification, illumination, illusion, illustration, imagination, imitation, immersion, immigration, immobilisation, immunisation, imperfection, implantation, implication, implosion, imposition, impression, improvisation, impulsion, inaction, inactivation, inattention, inauguration, incarnation, incinération, incitation, incompréhension, incorporation, incrustation, incubation, indécision, indexation, indication, indigestion, indignation, indiscrétion, indisposition, infection, inflation, information, infraction, infusion. And that's it for this list of 50 words. If you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier. Please like me on Facebook. I will be so happy. Facebook.com/imagier.net, and then the website is waiting for you if you want more material. Have a great day. Bye bye.